In this video, I will show you how to create paid Telegram channel. So the first step is to simply open Telegram and then simply tap on the pen icon to create your Telegram channel. So simply tap on new channel and then simply tap on create channel. Now I'm gonna name it test and then I'm gonna make it public for now, or no, let's make it private. Then click on next, then click on next again, and as you can see I have my channel right here. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to this website, which is called whoop.com, and then you're gonna have to simply create your free account. Now as you can see, I already have an account. It's very easy to make it. Then after that, you're gonna have to simply click on start selling. Now the next step is to create a new channel. So click on create new and name it whatever you want. So you can name it after your Telegram channel and then choose the category. Then click on next again. So as you can see, so I already have a company name like this. So I'm gonna use this one here that I already made. And then you're gonna have to simply click on add apps and then simply scroll down until you find Telegram and then simply click on add app. Now after that is gonna look something similar to this, so simply go to the setup and click on connect Telegram. Now as you can see, I have this code here. So for a channel, add Whoop as a channel admin, and for a group, add Whoop as admin. So let's go back to our Telegram channel, and then I'm gonna go here and then click on admin, and then I'm gonna click on add admin, then search for Whoopbot, as you can see at the top here, and then click on done. So as you can see, we have the bot right here. And now what you're gonna have to do is simply go back here and then let's search for the bot again. And now what you're gonna have to do is simply go back here to our channel and then let's type in start. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply go back here, and then as you can see, paste the code on your channel group once the Loopbot is added to it. So you're gonna have to go back. So I'm gonna type in this code on my Telegram channel. So as you can see right here, and as you can see, we're gonna have to wait a few seconds. As you can see, for the dashboard to update, so if we go back here, we should see it right here. So we have the channel, so simply click on add channel, and as you can see, we have our channel. So here we can go to the access tab. So as you can see, we have the access, and then simply click on create product, and then here you're gonna have to select paid. Then click on continue, and then here you have two different options. So you have subscription and single payment. So choose the one that you like and then choose the price. So let's say $10, and here you can change the currency, and here you can select if you want to add a wait list. And as you can see, visible or hidden. So as you can see, make your product visible to all users, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.